Your database is the silent engine that keeps your entire project from crashing into a wall. If that engine is not built for the weight you are putting on it, things get messy fast. You are stuck deciding between two giants in the world of time series data. One is a specialist. The other is a versatile heavy lifter. Let's get into the guts of the specialist first. This tool was built from the ground up to do one job and do it better than anyone else. It lives for ingestion. It loves those massive bursts of incoming data points that would make a standard database choke. If you are running thousands of sensors or tracking a massive fleet of vehicles, this is your best friend. It organizes data in a way that feels almost like magic. It compresses everything down so your disk space stays clean and lean. It is fast, efficient, and incredibly focused. But focus can sometimes feel like a cage. This tool has its own way of doing things. You have to learn its specific language. You have to follow its unique rules. Now, look at the alternative. This is the all-rounder. It is built directly into a legendary system that almost every developer on Earth already understands. It takes the reliability of a classic relational database and gives it superpowers for time-based tracking. This is a massive win for teams that are already moving fast. You do not have to stop and learn a new language. You just use the standard query language you already know and love. This tool shines when your questions get complicated. Maybe you don't just want to know the temperature of a sensor. Maybe you want to know which specific customer bought that sensor and what their service history looks like. You can join all that information together in a single step. It handles massive complexity without breaking a sweat. Even if you were tracking millions of separate devices, the performance stays rock solid. This is what people mean when they talk about high cardinality. It just means this system can handle a massive variety of different data points without getting bogged down or confused. The specialist is perfect for high volume and simple metrics, where you just need to get things running fast. It is great for monitoring systems where you just need the raw numbers. The all-rounder is for when your data is part of a much bigger story. It is for when you need to connect the dots between time, people, and business operations. One is a scalpel, and the other is a Swiss Army knife. Both are incredibly sharp, but they feel very different in your hand. You have to ask yourself if you want a tool that does one thing perfectly, or a tool that does everything exceptionally well. The specialist saves you space and provides raw speed right out of the box. The all-rounder saves you time because your team can start building immediately without a steep learning curve. It integrates with the tools you are already using today. It feels like an extension of your existing workflow rather than a brand new obstacle to overcome. Think about the scale of your project. Think about the questions you will need to answer a year from now. The choice you make today is the foundation for everything you build tomorrow. Make sure it is a foundation that can handle the weight of your ambition. One path offers specialized efficiency. The other offers familiar power. Either way, the data is waiting for you to make a move.